This was the scene yesterday. Heavy rain, all part of Hurricane Debbie, working its way from Florida all the way up here to upstate New York. You would think with this type of deluge, we're in for a mud race today, but no, the folks that run this place, the Robinson family, they knew this was coming. They had the track sealed off, as they say in motocross terms. They made the dirt hard. The rain did not soak in, and with beautiful weather today, we should have epic track conditions for another legendary Unadilla National.
It was good. Qualified, I think, 4th, so that's good. Good enough. We got a huge points lead with 3 rounds to go, so we just got to be smart and go out there and have fun.
Good. Practice ended up P8. Happy enough. It's a very fast track, so made a lot of progress in the break. I feel like still kind of finalising all those bits and pieces. So ready to rock and roll today. I think we'll be on for a good one.
Yeah, I just tried to learn the track the first one because I didn't have much speed without a clutch.
Good look on there, bud.
Thank you. And then second was good. Got the flow a little bit better. I was kind of behind my teammate Jordan a little bit, learning the track. So yeah, that was good. And I think today, I'm just gonna focus my ass off on the start, and see what we can do.
Unadilla already exceeded my expectations. Yesterday, there was a pond, like a lake, right here in our pit area. So we prepared for the worst and came back from first practice, and it was perfect. Like, you couldn't have prepped a better track than this. So I think we're gonna have some really, really good racing. One thing I was afraid of was just a muddy slop fest, but it's gonna probably be hard to move around. So the number one goal right now is go for the whole shot. We've worked on a lot of things during our 2-week break. Starts have been one of them. So let's go see if the hard work is gonna pay off.
It's going well. I mean, we've got a ton of rain yesterday. I honestly thought the track was going to be absolutely destroyed, but the facility did a great job. They sealed the track really good by packing the dirt in solid. Rain would just run off, and then they ripped it this morning. It actually looks like it never rained. So track's awesome. Haiden went out, kind of waited to find his groove a little bit. Ended up having a good time in the first one. I think he ended up 4th overall, so that's solid. We'll take a good gate pick and go race these motos.
Yeah, the track is, it's typical Unadilla, ruddy, hilly. It's got some braking bumps starting to develop and stuff, so should be pretty good for the motos. They'll probably maybe even have to put some water down second motos maybe in some spots, so we'll see how it turns out. Get some good starts. Run up front, the typical thing for them, trying to see how long we can last up there and, hopefully land on the box at the end of the day.
Yeah, back at Unadilla, man, it's gnarly. With all that rain yesterday, made it super ruddy, rough already. So it was a warm welcome back. Track's definitely tough, so yeah, not too bad. Qualified, I think 10th overall. We were a little better in the first one, not as good in the second practice, but feeling good. Not too rusty, but will definitely be a learning day for sure, and see what can happen in the motos.
Thanks.
Here we go. We're back to racing. Revs are up. Gates down. And Deegan does it again.
Watch this on YouTube, and I'm gonna be like, I told him, he gets a whole shot. He's got the whole shot. This is cooked. He's cooked. Done.
Here we go, second 250 moto from Unadilla.
All right, so wrap on Unadilla. It was good. 2-1 on the day for second overall. 70-point lead. That's sick. So we got 2 rounds left, and hopefully we can go into buds and finish her off. But y'all have fun next week and keep enjoying it and see what happens.
So going into the motos, we had good gate picks, and a couple of guys crashed, which is not how you want it, obviously. But yeah, I mean, capitalized on it and won the first moto, which is solid. And then going into the second moto, had another same start pretty much. He was actually like, him and Kitchen were 1-2 coming in the first turn. So he passed Anstey, like I said, and then Joe fell. So he was in second, and Kitchen was riding good. So he just took that. I mean, at this point in the season, we have a 70-point lead now. Happy to see that, all the hard work everyone's been putting in, see that come to fruition, and win this outdoor title would be awesome for the team. So we're excited to move into Budds Creek. I think it's pretty likely he'll sew it up there no matter what, but anything can happen. So we'll keep working hard, and hopefully we'll be holding the #1 plate next weekend.
Now we are in championship mode. Hopefully one more race we can put a #1 plate on this thing. So incredible, especially considering last year where this round maybe was the downfall of our season. What a way to turn it around. And actually the whole season we've turned everything around. So I'm really, really happy with today. But it just goes to show all that hard work we put in during the break really, really paid off today.
They held that gate a long time. A couple of riders flinched, and that's Cooper Webb up there.
almost like risk in the beginning. Like zigzagging through those guys is kind of dangerous.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it was a fun day being home. Not the greatest day. 5th overall. Had a good first moto. Worked my way into 4th. Almost got the 3rd, and then second moto. Just got a pretty bad start and hit some people in the first turn. So bent up the shroud and all that, and yeah, basically came from last and charged all the way. Got to almost 6th, and yeah, that's all I could do today. I rode really well in both motos, and I'm happy with my riding. So take it into next weekend and try again.
It wasn't too bad of a day. We had a lot of positives and a few negatives, but we'll work through it. You know, I think Justin's starts were a little bit rusty, and that's just, I think, from not racing for a while. So work on some starts for next week for him. His riding was really, really good. Cooper had pretty much a whole shot second moto and had a little crash. We think he's all right, so we'll get it checked out and be ready for next week.